Hey everyone, welcome back. I came to CVS to do the deals for the sales week of January 24th through the 30th. This week I got about 5 CRTs on each of my accounts. I got 2 off of mouthwash, 3 off cosmetics, 4 off heartburn, 4 off vitamins, 3 off lotion, 5 off adult care, and then the instant coupons for the week. And then I got my beauty bucks that I earned last week. So the first deal I'm going to do is the Buy Kotex this week. It is BOGO, buy one get one 50, and buy any 2 get a $2 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up 2 of the liners, one at $179. The second one will be half off at 89 cents. Both of them will bring me to $268. I don't have any manufacturer coupons or CRTs. I'll pay the $268, get back the $2 extra care buck, making the final cost 68 cents for both. So this week CoverGirl is buy 2 get a $6 extra care buck. These are priced at $6.29. I'm going to pick up both of them. It'll bring me to $12.58. I'm going to use 2 of these $2 off of one CoverGirl eye product. That's going to take off $4 and bring me down to $8.58. I'm going to pair it with buying 2 of the Paparazzi nail polish. This week it's buy 2 get a $4 extra care buck, and they are 2 for $5. So cost for all 4 products is $17.58. I don't have any coupons for the Paparazzi, so I'm going to use the 2 off of 2, and then I have this 3 off of 15. That's going to take off $7, leave me to pay $10.58. I'll get back the 6 for the CoverGirl, 4 for the Paparazzi, for a total of $10, making the final cost just 58 cents for all 4, and all of this does count towards beauty. Now I'm going to do the spend 30, get a $10 gift card. I'm going to pick up 2 of these Dove body wash at 2 for $13. The Dove shampoo and conditioner are not tagged, but this week they are 2 for $8, and they are included in the spend 30, get a $10 gift card. So I'm going to grab 2 of these for $8. I'm going to pick up 2 of the General Mills Cinnamon Toast Crunch. These are priced at $1.99 this week, and they are included in the spend 30, get 10. So I'm going to pick up 2 for $3.98. And last item for my spend 30, get 10, I'm going to pick up a 16-count Tide Pod. This is priced at $4.94 this week. So these 7 items complete my spend 30, get $10 gift card. I'm going to pick up the Tide Pods for $4.94 with the $2 manufacturer coupon. The Cinnamon Toast Crunch will bring me to $3.98 with the $1 off of 2 manufacturer coupon. I do have a digital, and usually it glitches when you use a paper and you have it clipped to your card, so I'm hoping that'll glitch and come off. I'm going to pick up 2 of the Dove for $13. I have 2 of these $1 off of 1 manufacturer coupons that came in today's Unilever insert. And then I have this 2 off of 2 any select Dove washes polish bar soaps that printed for everybody at the Redbox machine last week. And then I'm going to pick up 2 of the Dove shampoo for $8, and I printed this 2 off of 2 that Dove sent me in the email. When you sign up for their emails, they send you personalized coupons. So all of this totals me $29.92. I have a total of $10 in coupons. That'll bring me to $19.92. But then Ibotta is giving back $1 for each one. So I'll get back an extra $2 plus the $10 extra care buck. It'll make the final cost for all 7 items just $7.92. So this is everything I'm going to do in my first transaction. I'm going to do the Buy Kotex, the CoverGirl, the Paparazzi, and the spend 30, get 10. I should pay about $33 that I'll roll in extra care bucks, and I will get back $22 in extra care bucks, the $2 on Ibotta, and the $3 beauty buck for spending the amount that I did in beauty. So we'll go ahead and cash out, go over the receipt, and figure out the final cost for this transaction on my first account. Okay, so I cashed out. There's the Dove, a 2 for $13. This is the shampoo, 2 for $8. The cereal at $1.99 each. The Tide Pods at $4.94. The Buy Kotex $1.79, and then 89 cents because they were BOGO, 50%. The Paparazzi were 2 for $5. The CoverGirl were $6.29 each. All of my manufacturer coupons went through just fine. The cereal did glitch and come off with the manufacturer paper coupon. There are my 2 CRTs that I used. I wrote $31 in extra care bucks, and then I paid $2.18 on a Fetch Rewards gift card. I had a total savings of $65.89. And then I did get back the $6 for the CoverGirl, the $4 for the Paparazzi. I got back the $2 for, this is for the Buy Kotex, and then I did get the $10 gift card for spending $30 for a total of $22 back. And then I did spend $38 in beauty in this transaction, so I will get a $3 beauty buck within 48 hours. And then I did scan my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back the $2 for the Dove shampoo. It makes the final cost of all of these items that I picked up just $6.18. Not a bad deal, especially for the items that I did grab, and considering I only had 2 CRTs. So on my second account, the first deal I'm going to do is the Pampers deal. This week they're priced at $9.99. Buy 3, get a $10 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up 3 for $29.97. I have a $3 off of 2 digital coupon that's going to bring me down to $26.97. I don't have any CRTs or any other coupons, so I will pay that, roll that an extra care bucks. I'll get the $10 back, and then Ibotta is giving back $1.50 for each one. It says 1 day left, so you'd have to do this deal really quickly. So $4.50 back on Ibotta, and then I'm going to submit 2 codes from inside the diapers to the Pampers app. They're giving back $5 when you redeem 2 codes. That's going to give me back $19.50 in rebates. It's going to make the final cost just $7.47 for all 3 packages. If you have like a 5 off of 30, you can roll that into this deal, and you can possibly get 3 packs for $2.47. I'm sorry. That's a really good deal. Next deal I'm going to do is on the Colgate Max Fresh. This week they are $3.49. Buy 2, get a $5 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up 2 for $6.98. I printed 2 75-cent off of 1 from the Colgate website because it's going to give me a better deal, but we do have 50 cent off of 1 manufacturer coupons that came in last week's paper. And then I'm going to pair it with this $5 off of 2 that printed from the Red Box machine last week for everybody. That's going to take off a total of $6.50, leave me to pay 48 cents. I'll get back the $5 extra care buck, making these 2 free and a $4.52 moneymaker, which will help eat up the cost of those Pampers that we just went over. This week, Revlon is spend $15, get a $5 extra care buck. I don't have very many good CRTs, so I'm just going to grab one of these Kiss Bombs. These are priced at $5.49, and I still have the $5 off any Revlon from last week. So I'm going to pick up 1, and the final cost for me will be 49 cents. So I'm going to pick up 2 more of the CoverGirl brow pencils. This week it's buy 2, get a $6 extra care buck. These are priced at $6.29, and 2 of them will bring me to $12.58. And I'm going to pair that with the Paparazzi deal again. These are buy 2, get 4. I don't have any manufacturer coupons. And this is a new bottle. They're pretty cute. So they're 2 for $5. I'm going to pick up 2 of them. So this is the same exact deal that I just showed you guys. These are $12.58 for 2, and these are 5, bringing me to $17.58. I have another 3 off of 15 that I got on my second account. I have 2 $2 off of 1 manufacturer coupons for the brow products. That's going to take off $7, leave me to pay $10.58. I'll get back the $10 extra care buck, and this all counts towards beauty. I'm really trying to build the amount that I spend on beauty up because I do really want those Pampers, and I want them to be as cheap as possible. So this is everything I'm going to do in the second transaction. I'm going to do the Colgate, the Revlon, the CoverGirl, and the Paparazzi. My total should be about $11 and some change. I'll roll that in extra care bucks. I'll get back $15 in extra care bucks, 5 for the toothpaste, 4 for the Paparazzi, and 6 for the CoverGirl. And this should be about a $3 and some change moneymaker. So here's the receipt. There's the Colgate, $3.49 each, the Paparazzi 2 for $5, the Revlon Kiss Balm was $5.49, and the CoverGirl brow pencils were $6.29. All of my manufacturer coupons came off, all 3 CRTs that I used. I rolled the $11 in extra care bucks, paid 55 cents plus tax on a Fetch Rewards gift card. I had a total savings of $30.88, or 98%, and then I got back 5 for the toothpaste, 4 for the Paparazzi, and 6 for the CoverGirl for a total of $15. It made this transaction a $3.45 moneymaker, and I did get $23.07 in beauty in this transaction. I have an existing amount of beauty of $17.08. That'll put me at about $40 and give me enough to get a $3 beauty buck, making this a $6.45 money maker. Here's the transaction for the Pampers, 3 of them at $9.99 each. I had the 3 off of 2 come off. I rolled $25 in extra care bucks and paid $197 plus tax on a gift card. I had a $37 savings, 95%, and I did get the $10 extra care buck. Plus, I scanned my receipt to Ibotta, and I got the $4.50 back, $1.50 for each one. Then I will put 2 codes in for the coupons app to give me back $5 cash. That'll make the final cost for all 3 just $7.47. So for everything that I picked up, my first transaction cost me $11.18. My second transaction was a $3.45 moneymaker. My third transaction cost me $16.97. That brings me to $28.15. I'll get back the $6.50 on Ibotta $2 for the Dove shampoo, and then $4.50 for the Pampers. I will get $3 in beauty bucks on each of my accounts for a total of $6. Then I will get $5 from the Pampers app. That makes everything that I picked up today a final cost of $7.20, which is not a bad deal because I got 3 packages of Pampers, I got some Tide Pods, I got some cereal, I got some makeup, and then I got some Dove products. So I'm pretty happy with the final cost of everything. Again, I didn't spend any cash out of pocket. I rolled extra care bucks and used Fetch Rewards gift cards. That does bring us to the end of this video. I will have a Google Doc link down below for the deals that I did. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.